Hello, welcome. Today we're going to make a crossbody strap from denim scraps. So we have our fabric here. It's 4 inches wide by, well, it's 2 pieces. So when I sew them together, I will get about 48 inches. Now this won't be an adjustable strap, just crossbody. I have my swivel hook, 2 swivel hooks, and those will be attached to this swivel hook connector. I have a tutorial already made on my channel. I will link to that in the description, and I'll also place it in the cards above here so that you can see how to get this shape. We have another piece of denim fabric here. This is 1.5 inches wide by about 2 inches in length, 2 to 3 inches in length. I'll measure it and I'll place the right measurement on the screen. And we also have a square ring that I'll be adding so that I can attach a small zipper pouch to my crossbody strap. So let's begin. So first I'm going to I've backed this with a bit of interfacing. You don't have to. So I'm going to attach my swivel hooks. I'm using a small swivel hook. I don't have a bigger one. This is about 1/2 inch, so that is the reason for making this. And when you look at the tutorial showing you how to make this shape, you can adjust this middle section here to match the width of your D-ring or swivel hook. So the width here will match the width of the strap, which will be 1.5 inches. So this will go inside of here. We'll fold it so it can go through, and as you can see, it fits. Then we go over like this, and we'll set this aside for now because we will place our finished strap inside of here and then sew this in place. So I'll just leave this to the side. So that will be that. Then we'll place the other one as well. Fold over about 1/4 inch on both sides. You can press it, fold again, and then we'll take this to the sewing machine and sew around, and we'll attach it to our ring like this. So I'm going to go to the sewing machine and do this. So this is our crossbody strap so far. I've sewn all around the corners, as you can see. Oh, I placed the tab a little too close in the center of my fabric piece, which I should have placed it a little bit more on one side, like about here. That way, when I'm going around the corners, I will be able to sew straight across. I wasn't able to do that. Let me show you, I had to stop here and then continue over here. But because I'm using matching thread, you won't be able to see that easily without really looking closely. So this is what we have. So to correct yours, you will place your tab. If you're using a tab, you don't have to add this tab, but I want to connect a coin purse, and that is the reason for adding this tab. So if you're going to do this, make sure and place it a little bit more on one side so that when you have the fabric folded like this, you will have access to the edge. Okay, just thought I should point that out because that's a little mistake that I made. So this is my tab and it's looking pretty good. So the final step is to attach our swivel hooks. So we're going to take this to our sewing machine and sew across here, down the side, bottom, and up the other side. We'll do that on both ends and that will complete our crossbody strap. I've sewn a box and an X in the middle. I've also sewn across the top close to the swivel hook. I use my zipper foot to get as close as possible to the top here. Now that I'm looking at it, I have some excess on the edge because I made this a bit bigger than I needed, and so that I can trim it down. So I'm going to just take off the edge here. This is a bit better. I made a template. I have a video tutorial showing you how to make a template. This I just made it any old how. I didn't use a template, so it's a bit off, but you can follow that tutorial and you will see how to make the shape properly. I'm also gonna take off a bit from here. Not too much. It's not perfect, but it looks looks okay, so I can live with that. If you have free check, you can add some on your edges to make sure that they don't fray. So this is one complete. I may do some stitching on the side here to keep this flat. Yes, I may go back and stitch here and here. Okay, this is what we've got, and I'm going to add on the other end. So this is our completed crossbody strap. The reason why I added this section here is because my lobster hook is smaller than the width of my strap, which is 1.5 inches. So that's the reason for reducing this area here to fit my swivel hook, which is about 1/2 inch. And so it looks pretty good. So this is what I have right now, and here is my little tab where you can add your coin pouch when you're attaching your crossbody strap to your crossbody bag. So let me show you an example of how we'll do that. This is a coin purse that I made previously. If you want to see this, I will link it in the description and in the cards above, and so you can check this out if you want to make your own coin purse. So I attached a ring to my coin purse, and I will use this, if I can get in here, to connect it to my strap like this. Okay, so now my strap and coin purse are ready. You can attach anything that you want, maybe a lipstick or chapstick holder, which I can also link to this video, or you can check on my channel and you will see my lip balm holder that you can make and attach to your crossbody bag strap. So this is what I have for you today. There you have it, a stylish and sustainable crossbody strap made from recycled jeans. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a try. In my next video, I'll show you how to make a cute round bag to go with this strap. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.